Every time I'm in the Santa Barbara area, I like to stop by because I've seen great succulent displays here in the past. Oh my gosh, over the last few years, this garden, this display garden on 3.5 acres has just turned into one of the finest botanic gardens. I'm Debra Lee Baldwin, author of 3 books about succulents and using them in gardens, landscapes, and containers. I'm at Seaside Gardens Nursery in Carpinteria, California. It has specific areas for tropicals, California natives, and a wonderful succulent area, and that's going to be our focus. You don't have to pay anything to come in and see it. So come on, let's go have a look. I have never before seen Agave gypsophylla in bloom. I didn't know it did this. You know what I love about Seaside Gardens display gardens is that there's so much maturity in the plant material. We don't really see that as much down where I live in the San Diego area. The farther north you go along the coast, the more the gardens are established. You get this sense of layering. I think trees are so terribly important in gardens, and for succulents they create this terrific dappled shade. So you've got this ideal climate for just about anything you want to grow, and succulents love it here. So I'm going to be showing you some really special specimens that are pretty old. This is Yucca rostrata, known for its popcorn-like flowers, or maybe whipped cream is a better description. It's very slow growing, so large specimens like this are seldom seen. It also has gray-green leaves and a pleasing silhouette. You can see where the old dry leaves were trimmed from this one, leaving an intriguing pattern. Ponytail palms, Bocarnia recurvata, and tree aloes dominate this part of the garden, and some are many decades old. The succulent garden was designed in part by renowned succulent horticulturists Donna and Bill Baker. Bill, now deceased, collected, hybridized, and introduced numerous succulents to the nursery trade, including Aloe Hercules. I hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. My goal is to inspire you to enjoy using succulents in fun and creative ways in your own garden and outdoor living spaces. Please know I appreciate your comments, and do subscribe and hit the like button. I'm Debra Lee Baldwin. Thank you for joining me.